Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can add your business location to Instagram on iPhone. Write me if my solution helped you, if it worked for you, if you still have any questions. Please let me know in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to any browser that we have on the iPhone. I go to Safari. Further in the search bar, write the word Maps. Open Google Maps. After that, find the location that we want to copy. And after that, so that the person can see our location. So we find any store, our product, what we want. Let's say I show you this gas station, for example. When we click on our location, we swipe to the side. We click Share. Here we click Copy. Exit. Go to Instagram. Next, we open our profile. Click Edit Profile. There's links. Click here. Add external link. And this is where we have to put our link. After that, we can sign here that this is the location of our store. Let's say and click Done. Exit. Once again, click Save. And now look. We refresh the page and the person who goes to our profile will immediately see here at the bottom of the location of our business. He now clicks here, and immediately it appears in Google Maps. Opens where we are. And this way a person can find us. If you like this video helped, subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Thank you all for watching it to the end. Goodbye.